OK， 上午场的最后一家厂商是环旭电子。那熟悉功率半导体的小伙伴们一定对环旭电子不会太陌生。那环旭电子是功率半导体技术的核心玩家，他们主要的产品是一些系统级的封装，包括 SiP 的封装。那他们也布局了很多除了 IGBT 以外，以及碳化硅和氮化镓的一些高功率密度的一些封装模块。那接下来我们来一起看一下他们的产品。Can you do a basic introduction about yourself?
So my name's Andy Galley. I'm responsible for the automotive group within USI in Taiwan. So I'm responsible for the whole automotive business, including engineering and operations, so product and customer management.
Wow. Okay. So, what you guys bring the new product and new technology in this show? Can you give a bit?
USI has actually been involved in power modules for over 10 years. So, what USI brings is some experience in terms of the electrification, and they've also been involved in automotive for 40 years. So, we have a deep understanding of what it takes in automotive. Plus, we're trying to bring in the new technologies into our products. So power modules, obviously we know the trend is to have more efficient power modules, control the heat dissipation, and also to have new technologies in the substrates. So what we're doing is developing and engineering. We know what the market needs, so we're trying to bring in the DBC and the AMC substrates, but also the future technologies. So we're also working on embedded PCBA. So embedded is, we know the future, maybe 2 to 3 years away, but we're working on that now. And also USI has a deep knowledge of in terms of not Wi-Fi technologies. So we're also using that for our WBMS, wherever the WBMS, wireless BMS.
Oh, okay.
And also miniaturization. So USI is more than an automotive company. So we in fact, the automotive is maybe only 10%. So the other 90% is in consumer goods, so telephones, etc. So we're utilizing the technology that we have in other products and trying to bring it into automotive. So zip technology, miniaturization, plus our power modules, and so we're trying to keep up with the trends of high voltage inverters, OBCs, X-in-1s. So we're trying to bring in competitiveness into the market, but we're also got a global presence. So we're available in Europe and in the Americas, in China, etc. So we're trying to utilize all our networks and our footprint to give our customers the best service. This is what we're trying to do.
Okay. So last one question. So under this big environment, China and the US, so I expect every customer will ask you the same question. What's your localization strategy? So can you give us any information about this?
I think we already localize. So we are present in most of the regions. So even Tunisia, Poland, Hungary. So Europe is covered quite well, and then we've obviously got the China footprint. We've got several locations in China. We've got Taiwan, which is a unique market, maybe more Asian but not non-Chinese markets, covering Korea and Japan. And then we've got Mexico. And we've also got sites in North America. So from a manufacturing position, we are localized. I guess what the challenges are is some of the components are mainly from Asia region. So this is a challenge, but this is a challenge for everybody. So it's our supply base to localize step by step. So we know our customers are telling us we need to localize, and we're doing that. So it's a step-by-step process, but can't localize everything.
Okay, great. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Thank you.